This is power adapter, and when you're gonna open it, inside you will find transformer. From this transformer we're gonna pull out the copper wire. But first we need to pull out all these metal plates. After 10 minutes of pulling all these metal plates, we came to the copper wire. As you can see, every transformer have two coils. One of them is primary and other is secondary. We're gonna need secondary coil. How to recognize which is primary and which is the secondary coil? The primary coil have thinner wire and the secondary have more solid copper wire. Now we get the copper coil for making the electromagnet. Next is to make the rotor, and we're gonna do that with copper wire and winding about 50 turns. After finishing the rotor coil, you should get something like this. We need to scratch the isolation that is on copper wire. On this side we're gonna remove it completely. On other side we're gonna scratch just on 3 sides.